In Marin County, a leaky water tank in the middle of a drought has drawn the ire of residents. But as KPIX5's John Ramos reports, it has also demonstrated the ability of everyday people to affect change.
The Marin Municipal Water District has been preaching a message of conservation to its customers during these dry times. But it may have been the power of social media that convinced them to practice what they preach.
This neighborhood is incredibly conscientious. We have buckets in our showers, we have tubs in our sinks.
At Lyle Christie's home in the San Rafael Hills, he's even installed a manifold that can shut off any pipe if it starts to leak.
And then we come up here, it's unbelievable.
At the top of the hill is a water tank owned by the district that is anything but a water saver. This 50,000-gallon reservoir made of redwood was built in 1977 and has been leaking like a sieve for a long time. Christie tested it and figures it's losing at least 2 gallons per minute. That's 1,050,000 gallons per year. Elizabeth Tressler lives right next to the tank and says she's been watching it leak for about a decade.
And I was very mad because water, is going down the drain and my bill is going up.
So Christie rigged up a basin to catch some of it to use for landscaping.
And they said, no, we'd rather go down the hillside. And that's when I said, that's it. I'm going on next door to the People's Forum for Justice.
He posted video of the leak on social media, uncorking a flood of protests. And today, a crew arrived to plug up some of the larger holes. The district wouldn't go on camera, but said it is one of only 6 wooden tanks remaining and was scheduled to be removed in 2024. But the size of the leak has moved it up the list. They plan to pipe water in from a larger reservoir on a nearby ridge, and the old tank should be gone by November. But neighbor Mark Wittenkeller thinks it's only happening because the people piped up.
In the last 5 weeks, the most extraordinary thing happened because they wanted to see water not being consumed by this rather large leak on a 1970s wooden tank, and they did their best. And they drew the attention to it that it needed, frankly.
It's probably no surprise. The only thing you need to start a grassroots action is a good watering. In San Rafael, John Ramos, KPIX5.
Power to the people. Okay, the Water District says the construction design for the new system has been completed and will go out for a bid in the next week or two. They say they've replaced 31 of the old wooden tanks over the past 10 years.